What about that huge hallway? Make it easier for movers and you get your furniture into the room you wanted.
Okay. That was super cheesy. Hey there, I'm Britt,
And I'm Sheldon.
and this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Stay tuned. Beachy Beach.
So today, gorgeous property listed by Cindy Beebe over off North Lagoon behind Palm Bay on the east end of the beach. 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, beautifully manicured yard. How about that backyard, Sheldon?
I love the yard. The hardest thing for me to do was stay out of the pool. I just wanted to jump right in the pool
It
whenever
was
we were there.
Gorgeous. The sellers have taken beautiful care of this property. Lush landscaping in the front yard and the backyard. Nice, the privacy fence. It's a little taller, makes the yard look very regal and pristine. Gorgeous property. And actually, they've designed the property in a way that you can check out the beautiful backyard first when you walk in. You walk in, you see that glass all behind the living room, and you see just the gorgeous backyard, screened in lanai, nice oversized master. You notice those French doors leading into the master bedroom, nice sized bedrooms. I mean, this is a great value for the east end of the beach. Beautiful neighborhood, highly sought after, under $550, you guys. If you want to check out this gorgeous, gorgeous property, fenced-in yard, pool, beautifully manicured, garage for all the beach toys.
Yes, garage is a must.
Yes, if you have an extra fun car or beach toys, you have plenty of room in the garage. If you want to check out this home over on the east end of the beach, please give us a call. We'd love to show it to you.
More information on this listing, click the link below.
Make sure you subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com. Ring that bell. You don't want to miss out on any hot deals like this one.